Hi guys, so I use Chatbase, and if you go to chatbase.com or .co, you're able to create a free account. You can demo that shows you exactly step by step on how to do that. It gives you a pricing. I opted for the first free one to test it out to see if something that I wanted to invest in, and absolutely loved it. Definitely, I will most likely add on to it. And then it talks about the API, but here is my chatbot. So I can create a new one, but right now this is the one that I just created because remember, as a beginner user, you get one chatbot. So I went to work with mine. So here is my little cute chatbot. One of the things I didn't like was that the fact that the picture was so small. So I'm going to attempt to fix it. But with that being said, I can come here and I can say list ST standards, and I'm going to go hit go, and it starts listing the standards. Now I showed you guys how it looked on my website, and my website I brought up on my interactive board. But as you can see, it listed the standards. And it also got some of the sources. Now, the more sources that you add on your bot as to where they're gathering the information from, the better. Because I didn't want to infringe on anybody, I used my blogs and my information that I have out there. But if you notice how I was able to ask it basic questions that were not included in my sources, it was able to tell me about the oceans and tell me about the planets, just general information that it found out there. It was able to list it. Okay, so I'm going to take you through these right here. So here is my chatbot, so you can see it. The settings, it just, has the ID, how many characters, the name of it. Here's my basic prompt, right? It's being modeled from GPT 3.5. I have it based on public. I want it on public just because I want my students to have access to it. And I want to demo it so I want you guys to see it. Do I want it to collect customer information? Right now I have everything turned off. This is a good thing that you can have if you are collecting leads for anything that you're posting on your website. If you have a business-driven website and you want to collect leads, that's a good way to ask people to put in their names or their email addresses. Okay, so the interface of my chatbot, this is what it says. You can set it to say, something different. Update my chatbot picture. I'm going to try grabbing a new chatbot picture because the one that I chose was really small. I want to say that I have one on my desktop. So let me just go to my desktop and grab this one. Hopefully it's a little bigger, right? Here I'm able to pick my color. I can come to others and I can tone down the pink or make it more pink. And then update chat icon. Right now I don't have a chat icon, but I could have a chat icon if I wanted to. I can use the same one. Right? And then once I'm finished, I can do save, and I am saving my bot. All right. So now that I've updated my bot, it's a lot cuter, the one that I found online. I'm going to take you through the dashboard. The dashboard is just basic sources that were just brought up, right? My sources. Here is where you add all the different sources that you wanted to grab from, right? I'm going to go to embed on a site, which is the part that you need to see. So here is the code that I am going to put on my Google Classroom website so you can see. So I'm going to copy this code. Once my bot is created, I'm going to do Command C. I'm going to jump over to AI. Right? Because I want to add it in my AI page as well. So I am going to come here and notice how there's embed. So I'm going to, you can do a URL or embed the code. In this particular one, I'm going to do Command V, and I'm going to paste my code. I'm going to go to next, right? And I'm going to go insert. So here's my cute little bot. I'm going to center it on my Google site. I'm going to change the color. Oh, nope, too pink. Here, so it's nice and in the middle. And then I'm just going to hit published. So now when I come to my website, and if I view this particular page on AI, right, I have down here my little handy dandy chatbot that I can ask it any questions. And it was that easy to create a bot. So I've been checking through a bunch of different websites to see which one was going to be the easiest. This one definitely won. So enjoy.